In this video, we will discuss a word problem related to border of a rectangle. It states that a 3-meter wide road is all around on the outside of a 125-meter long and 60-meter wide garden. Find the cost of repairing the road at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Towards its solution, from the figure we can see that the inner rectangle represents the garden, which is 125-meter long and its breadth is 60 meter. And outside the garden there is a road of 3-meter width. Now we will write the given data, that is the inner length or length of garden is equal to 125 meter and inner breadth or breadth of garden is equal to 60 meter. Since we have inner length and inner breadth, so we can find the inner area or area of garden. So the inner area or area of garden is equal to inner length multiplied by inner breadth. Now we will substitute the values. Inner length is 125 meter multiplied by inner breadth is 60 meter. 125 meter multiplied by 60 meter is equal to 7500 meter square. So inner area or area of garden is equal to 7500 meter square. We also need to find the outer area, that is area of garden and road as a whole. For this we need outer length and outer breadth, which is not given. So firstly we will find the outer length and outer breadth. Outer length is equal to inner length plus 2 times width of road. Now we will substitute the values. The inner length is 125 meter plus 2 times width of road is 3 meter, and it is equal to 125 meter plus 2 times 3 meter is 6 meter. Adding these two we get 131 meter. So outer length is equal to 131 meter. And outer breadth is equal to inner breadth plus 2 times width of road. Now we will substitute the values. The inner breadth is 60 meter plus 2 times width of road is 3 meter. It can also be written as 60 meter plus 2 times 3 meter is 6 meter. Adding these two we get 66 meter. So outer breadth is equal to 66 meter. Now we will find outer area, which is equal to outer length multiplied by outer breadth. Now we will substitute the values. Outer length is 131 meter multiplied by outer breadth is 66 meter. Multiplying these two, we get 8646 meters square. So outer area is equal to 8646 meters square. Since in this question we have to find the cost of repairing the road, for this we should know the area of the road, and we can find the area of the road by subtracting inner area, that is area of the garden, from outer area, that is area of garden and road as a whole. So area of road is equal to outer area minus inner area, which is equal to outer area is 8646 meter square minus inner area is 7500 meter square. Subtracting 7500 from 8646, we get 1146 meter square. So area of road is equal to 1146 meter square. It is given in the question that rate of repairing road per meter square is equal to rupees 150. So the cost of repairing the entire road having area 1146 meter square is equal to 150 multiplied by 1146 rupees. Multiplying these two, we get 1,71,900 rupees. So the cost of repairing the entire road having area 1146 meter square is 1,71,900 rupees. And this is the solution of this question.